Hey there, Nick with Dine Company. Today, we are going to be making a grinder salad in Pico de Gallo using the Chef Master Pro Chopper. For this salad, use lettuce, red onion, tomato, banana peppers, garlic, salami, turkey, and provolone. Throw all your ingredients on the cutting board and pro chop away. After the chop, put homemade dressing in and toss to completely cover your salad. And here is the finished grinder. Before we get to the Pico de Gallo, let's take a moment to discuss the Chef Master Pro Chopper. The versatile Pro Chopper can be used in a bowl or on a cutting board, while its curved stainless steel blades allow for a natural rocking motion during use. This handy kitchen tool is great for working with salads, herbs, vegetables, dough, and more. Be sure to head to the comments section to let us know what you would make with the Pro Chopper. Maybe we'll even make another video with the most popular suggestion. Now that you've seen the Pro Chopper make a grinder salad, let's see how easily it can make Pico de Gallo. For the pico, use Roma tomatoes, cilantro, jalapeno, and red onion. Once your ingredients are on the board, just pro chop away. Add garlic, lime zest, and lime juice. Salt and pepper, then mix thoroughly. Here's the finished Pico de Gallo. For best results, say mmm. If you'd like to purchase the Chef Master Pro Chopper, a link is in the description below. And to save 25%, use the promo code on the screen. Thank you for watching this demonstration of the Pro Chopper, and remember, at Dine Company, we make food service easier.